What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you how to trade on the Binance app for beginners. All right, so I've been trading crypto for the last couple of years. I've been using Binance for about a year and a half. They are currently the #1 exchange in the world for trading crypto, and they have over 100 different coins you can trade. Now, I'll throw a link in the description if you want to sign up with them. I'm going to show you my strategy up until this point, which has helped me make over $4,000 literally just with my phone and the Binance app. You will need a wallet in order to fund money into it. The one I'm going to be recommending to everybody is Coinbase. Now, I've been using Coinbase since the beginning. They're basically a wallet plus a trading platform. The downside to using Coinbase for trading is that they don't have a lot of coins you can trade on here. But if you look at Coinbase as like your PayPal account where you're transferring money in and out of Binance, that's pretty much what it's good for. So if you don't have a Bitcoin wallet right now, I do recommend checking out Coinbase. Now, I want to show you some of my transfers on here to show you that I've actively been doing this stuff. You can see I've got 1,200, 2,100, 2,200, 1,100, 1,200, 3,000. The list goes on. And, like I said, up into this point, I've literally just been using Binance, and I just kind of fund money through Coinbase and Binance, and that's it. And then I send it to my checking account. I'm going to open the app up, and I'm going to tell you straight up that this is definitely the best app for crypto trading because it is very analytical, it's easy to use, it's very user-friendly, and it's safe to use. The thing about investing in crypto on your phone, if you want to put money into Binance and you want to leave it there for, let's say you want to hold it for a minute, a day, a week, a month, a year, it does not matter. If you buy a coin and you put a certain amount of money into it and you want to hold it for the long term, your money will be safe on here. I've never had any issues, with using Binance at all. The other thing is that there are so many trades happening on here that it's easy to get money in and out, which is also important. But I'm going to show you how the app works. It's really cool. So once you've got money into your Binance account, you can start searching for different coins. You can pull up 24-hour price changes. You can check the last price, which is going to pull up the most expensive coins to the least expensive coins. You've got Bitcoin, and then you can continue scrolling down. You're going to see some, more of the popular ones like Litecoin, etc. But the lower you get, the different ones you're going to see Ripple, IOTA, Neo, maybe some you've never heard of before. But the point here is that there are going to be a lot of different coins that you can buy and sell on here, which is important because you want to get in on some of the cheaper ones. Or if you think a coin's going to go up over the next, month, year, whatever it is, then you could just hold on to it here. Another thing you can do is check the volume. Volume basically will tell you, what's being sold and bought a lot. So that's what that means. And, it's kind of cool to see this. So, you can see what's popular. Anyways, let me just pull up IOTA. So whenever you're looking at buying a certain coin on here, as long as you have money in your account, you would just click the buy button, type in the USD, how much you want to buy, click done, and then you'll own that coin. It's really that simple. Now, if you want to check out some of the graphing features on here for checking out some of these different coins, you can do that too. The graph, they show candlestick charts, buying and selling. The green's the buying, the red's the selling. You can pull up different charts. You're going to see the volume. And then, of course, you can set alerts, which is really cool too. So if you want to set an alert for a certain coin, I'm not logged in right now. If you want to set an alert for a different coin, you can do that. And, you'd basically be good to go. But overall, you know what I'm saying? If you're looking at using the Binance app or just Binance in general, it's very easy to get started. It's that simple. I'll throw links in the description. If you have any questions, hit me up below. Thanks for watching this, guys, and we will see y'all later.